Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In this video, we'll be discussing the Windows 11.2.4 release date. It looks like the update will be available as an optional release this month, with a broader rollout planned for October. Here's a quick breakdown of what to expect with this upcoming update for Windows 11. And now, let's dive in. Microsoft releases two key updates each month. The B release, Patch Tuesday, WINS. This comes out on the second Tuesday of each month and focuses on security patches, ensuring your system stays secure. The C release, optional feature update, Fictench Mind. This arrives on the last Tuesday of the month, offering new features and improvements. It's optional, so users can choose to delay it for a couple of weeks to test it before a full rollout. For September 2024, the Patch Tuesday update was released on the 10th, and we're expecting the Windows 11.2.4 optional update on the 24th. The broader rollout will follow on October 8th for users who didn't install the optional update. To summarize, September 24th, Windows 11.2.4 optional update. October 8th, full rollout to all users. More content related to Windows 11.2.4 will be shared soon, including guides on how to install it on unsupported devices, walkthroughs of the new features, and more. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. That's all for today's update. The ISOs should be available on official servers soon, so stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe with notifications on to stay updated with the latest tech news and tutorials. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next video.